Welcome back to another Alpha Money video. In today's video, we will be discussing the best faceless cash cow YouTube channels that you can start with low competition and the potential to make $5,000, $7,000, or even $10,000 a month. I've done all the research for you, so if you're wondering what you need to start your own cash cow channel, you're in the right place. Next, let's talk about a channel called PopJuice. PopJuice is a faceless cash cow YouTube channel that focuses on celebrities and entertainment. They've uploaded around 500 videos and have received 5 million views in the last 30 days. According to Social Blade, this channel is earning between $1,500 to $20,000 per month. However, it's important to note that Social Blade uses an estimated CPM range of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks as a default. My research suggests that the celebrity or entertainment niche may earn around $2 to $7 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. This means that PopJuice might be earning anywhere from $10,000 to $35,000 per month before YouTube takes its 45% cut of the revenue. PopJuice is successful because they focus on celebrity rumors and follow popular news events. They also use split-screen style thumbnails with 2 to 4 figures, which are likely to have high click-through rates. If you want to start a celebrity gossip channel, I recommend getting inspiration from PopJuice and making similar videos, but also finding ways to stand out and make your videos more effective. Next up is the channel called Focus. This YouTube channel provides content related to M&A, with videos on the topic as the scariest face-changing knockouts seen in MMA, and brutal shin-to-chin knockouts seen in MMA, and similar videos. Each of the videos are getting thousands of views. Focus has 450,000 subscribers and receives almost 2 million views. According to Social Blade, they are earning $6,800 per month. If you want to start a sports channel in MMA niche, I recommend getting inspiration from Focus and making similar videos, but also finding ways to stand out and make your videos more effective, like using arrow and pointers at knocked out players to create curiosity in audience, which will increase the click-through rate. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me continue creating content for all of you to enjoy. Next up is the Howfinity channel, which is in the Howvin niche. This YouTube cash cow channel is making instructional videos like how to restore your iPhone if you forgot your passcode, and how to unpair and reset any Apple Watch, and similar videos. This channel is evergreen because the videos are search-based, as people will always need the step-by-step instructions to perform a certain task, so this channel will get views forever. Howfinity has almost 600,000 subscribers and has gained 4 million views in last 28 days. According to Social Blade, this channel is earning $16,000 every month. But there is one problem: that owner of the channel shows his face in his videos. But if you want a faceless YouTube channel, you can easily do it by screen recording your content and using your voiceover instead of showing your face. If I'm looking for evergreen niche with a high scope of views, you can get inspiration from this channel called Howfinity and start your own channel. If you're enjoying the content I'm creating, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button and consider subscribing. By subscribing, you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos, so you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest content I have to offer. Plus, it helps support me as a creator and allows me to continue making videos for you all. So if you haven't already, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me and helps me continue creating content for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.